The world is filled with places that defy explanation, puzzling scientists, historians, and explorers alike. These mysterious locations challenge our understanding of nature, physics, and even history. From unusual geological formations and ancient structures to strange natural phenomena and anomalies, these sites leave experts scratching their heads. What makes them even more intriguing is that despite centuries of observation and study, no one has been able to fully explain their existence or the processes that created them. These enigmatic locations often inspire awe and curiosity, drawing travelers, researchers, and adventurers who want to witness the inexplicable for themselves. Each site carries with it a story, a sense of wonder, and an air of the unknown, making it difficult to separate fact from speculation. We explore 10 mysterious locations around the world that continue to baffle scientists and inspire imaginations. Today, we will talk about 10 mysterious locations scientists can't explain. So, before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. The Nazca Lines in Peru are perhaps one of the most famous mysterious locations on Earth. These enormous geoglyphs etched into the desert floor depict animals, humans, and geometric patterns, some stretching over hundreds of meters. What makes them so puzzling is not just their scale, but also the precision with which they were created. The Nazca people, living between 500 BCE and 500 CE, did not have the aerial view we have today, raising questions about how they achieved such accuracy. Scientists have proposed theories ranging from astronomical calendars to religious symbolism, but none fully explains why these enormous figures exist or how they were precisely executed. The dry desert climate has preserved these lines for centuries, allowing modern-day observers to marvel at their detail and scale, yet the full purpose of these geoglyphs remains an enduring mystery. Stonehenge in England is another enigmatic site that has confounded archaeologists for centuries. This prehistoric monument consists of massive standing stones arranged in a circular pattern, some weighing over 25 tons. Scientists still debate how these stones were transported and positioned with the limited technology available at the time. Moreover, the exact purpose of Stonehenge is unclear. Theories range from astronomical observatory to ceremonial site or a place of healing. Despite extensive research, the monument continues to challenge conventional understanding, as its construction techniques, alignment, and cultural significance remain partially unexplained. Standing within its circle, visitors often feel a profound sense of mystery, as if the monument connects them to ancient knowledge lost to time. In Siberia, the Dyatlov Pass incident adds another layer of intrigue. In 1959, 9 hikers mysteriously died in the Ural Mountains under circumstances that continue to baffle experts. Their tent was found torn open from the inside, bodies scattered with strange injuries, some missing eyes or tongues, and traces of high radiation detected on their clothing. Various theories have been proposed, including avalanches, military testing, and even paranormal explanations. However, no single theory fully accounts for all the unusual details surrounding their deaths. The Dyatlov Pass has since become a symbol of the unexplained, drawing researchers and thrill-seekers hoping to uncover the truth behind the tragedy. The Hessdalen lights in Norway are a natural phenomenon that continues to perplex scientists. Mysterious lights appear in the night sky over the Hessdalen Valley, sometimes hovering, moving, or changing colors. Observed for decades, these lights have been recorded on video, photographed, and studied, yet no definitive scientific explanation exists. Hypotheses range from natural gases to plasma discharges, but none fully account for the frequency, behavior, and unpredictability of the phenomenon. Local residents report seeing these lights regularly, making the valley a hotspot for curious visitors and researchers who hope to witness this unexplainable spectacle. The Hessdalen lights remain one of the most studied yet unresolved natural mysteries in the world. The Rongorongo script of Easter Island is another profound mystery. The Rapa Nui people left behind carved wooden tablets covered with glyphs that no one has successfully deciphered. Scientists and linguists have attempted to decode the script, hoping to learn more about the island's culture, history, and the construction of its iconic Moai statues. But the meaning of the glyphs remains elusive. Combined with the isolation of Easter Island, The mysterious writing system suggests the existence of knowledge that may have been lost entirely when the island's population declined. The tablets continue to spark speculation and research, as every attempt at translation raises more questions than answers. In the ocean, the Baltic Sea anomaly has puzzled researchers since it was discovered in 2011. This mysterious formation, captured by sonar at the bottom of the sea, resembles a large disk with geometric shapes that some claim appear artificial. While some scientists suggest it is simply a natural rock formation, its unusual shape, size, and features have led to speculation about a possible sunken structure or even extraterrestrial origin. The anomaly's depth and location make it difficult to study, and multiple expeditions have yielded few conclusive results. Its appearance on sonar images continues to spark debate, with amateur investigators and professionals alike debating whether it is natural or something far more extraordinary. The door to hell in Turkmenistan is a fiery crater that has been burning continuously since 1971. It formed when a natural gas field collapsed, and scientists set it on fire to prevent the spread of methane gas, expecting it to burn out in days. Decades later, the crater still blazes, creating a surreal, glowing landscape in the middle of the desert. While its formation is understood in terms of geology and human intervention, the continuous fire, its vast size, and the eerie visual effect make it appear otherworldly. The door to hell exemplifies how natural phenomena, combined with human action, can create a sight that challenges our perception of reality. In Antarctica, the bloodfalls are a striking natural mystery. Red-colored water seeps from the Taylor Glacier into Lake Bonny, creating the appearance of flowing blood across ice and snow. Scientists have studied the phenomenon extensively and discovered that the color comes from iron-rich water oxidizing when it meets the air. While the chemical process is understood, the persistence of the flow under extreme conditions, isolated beneath kilometers of ice, and the unusual microbial ecosystem present a scientific puzzle. The sight is visually stunning, creating a vivid contrast between the deep red water and the surrounding ice, further enhancing its aura of mystery. The Moeraki boulders in New Zealand are another geological enigma. These nearly perfectly spherical stones, some over 2 meters in diameter, dot the coastline of Koikohe Beach. Formed millions of years ago, scientists explain them as concretions, yet the exact process of their formation, their remarkable symmetry, and their distribution remain intriguing. Over time, erosion has exposed these massive stones, leaving them scattered like enormous marbles on the sand. The Moeraki boulders are a favorite subject for photographers and scientists alike, standing as a testament to nature's ability to produce structures that seem almost deliberately sculpted. Finally, the Yonaguni Monument off the coast of Japan has sparked debate since its discovery in the 1980s. This underwater formation consists of massive, flat, and angular structures that resemble terraces, roads, and steps. Some argue that it is a natural geological formation, while others suggest it may be remnants of an ancient civilization lost to rising sea levels. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.